Hi, and welcome to the Owl's Nest. Today on the show we will be learning about the practice of Qigong. We will be talking to Diane Smith, a Spring Forest Qi Gong instructor. So let's get going.
Talk to you just a moment about the 4 elements of Spring Forest Qi Gong: mind and visualization, breath, sound, and then posture and movements.
Okay.
The most important focus is breathing. So we're going to do a little practice of deep breathing. So have you heard of acupuncture?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, so you know we have those meridians or energy channels that run through our body. So instead of using needles to break up blockages and release the energy, we're going to learn to do it with moving our arms and our legs a little bit, all right? So again, feet are grounded nice on the floor. I want you to visualize a column of energy that runs from the top of your head all the way through your body. If we can focus on the energy, eventually we can feel it. And of course, on every exhalation, you feel those shoulders relaxing. I want you to focus on your hands. Feel the expansion between your hands and the contraction. Focus on your hands, focus on the feeling.
So I see you have a lot of neat instruments.
Yes, would you like to try them?
Yes, I would.
Some of my favorites are my Tibetan bowls.
Oh, can you tell me about them?
In Tibet or in Nepal, they'll hand pound them. So you see this bowl here, it's kind of rough looking. You see the bumps and stuff? So the monks will sit there and build this bowl, but when they're building it, they pray. They say their mantras, and so it's very healing. Would you like to learn how to play them?
Yes, please.
Beautiful, and clockwise. And of course, one of the most important things is focusing on the bowl, but it's your breath. Focusing on what you're doing, keeping a long, deep breath. Push a little harder. Just gonna put this at your ear. We can move it around your head. So you can hear the difference when I lifted it, right?
And I can see it vibrating.
Put your hands near.
That's so cool.
Would you like to do a little concert with me?
Sure.
Awesome. So we'll just take a bunch of bring that one closer to you. a sound instrument to help your body heal, or help you to heal your body. There's all different kinds of sets out there, but I'm going to show you heart, and then these are Om. So remember how we were practicing Om before? So these are the sounds of Om.
Oh, cool.
You ready to try?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to have to get you to move your hair back from your ears.
So you teach Qigong here in Calgary?
I do. We do two different things here in Calgary. We actually do a formal level 1 and 2 that we teach as certified instructors, but we also do drop-in classes throughout the city, and I do one on Monday nights.
Well, thank you so much for having us. I had a really good time.
So wonderful to meet you.
For today's music, I'll be joined on guitar by the magnificent Uncle Sam. Hi, Sam.
Hey, Emma.
We will be doing a song originally done by Melanie in 1971, Brand New Pair of Roller Skates. I rode my bicycle past your window last night. I roller skated to your door at daylight. It almost seems like you're avoiding me. I'm okay alone if you've got something I need to wear. I got a brand new pair of roller skates, you got a brand new key. I think that we should get together and try them out to see. I've been rolling around a while, you got something for me. Oh, I've got a brand new pair of roller skates, you got a brand new key. I ride my bike, I roller skate, don't drive no car. Don't go too fast, but I go pretty far. For somebody who don't drive, I've been all around the world. Some people say I've done all right for a girl. Well, that's a little old-fashioned.
Indeed.
I got a brand new pair of roller skates.